Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about crisis of vulture population in India. India is home to 9 species of vultures, but most of them face the danger of extinction. So why we are talking about vultures? Vultures are scavengers. They feed on dead bodies such as cattle carcasses, which are the most common food source in a country with the world's largest cattle population, and where handling of carrion has religious and caste taboos. It was left to the vultures to do the unsavory job of efficient getting rid of rotting carcasses. Their speedily efficient disposal of bodies does not allow deadly bacteria to develop and spread. High body temperatures and strong stomach acid allow vultures to ingest carrion infected by bacteria such as anthrax without any ill effects. The dramatic decline of vultures created a vacuum and millions of carcasses were left rotting, increasing the possibility of spread of diseases such as TB or tuberculosis, anthrax, brucellosis, foot and mouth diseases, and etc. Other scavengers such as rats and feral dogs moved in, but they lacked the efficiency of vultures, whose metabolism is a true dead end for pathogens. Dogs and rats instead becomes carrier of the pathogen spreading diseases. The loss of one bird has led to a health crisis. A conservation catastrophe has led to human tragedy. The major reason behind the vulture population getting nearly wiped out was the drug diclofenac. It was found in the carcass of cattle on which the vulture fed. Its veterinary use was banned in 2008 by the government of India. Human diclofenac formulation continued to be illegally administered for veterinary purposes. To close the loophole, Indian government limited the availability of human diclofenac formulation to 3 ml, banning large vials of 30 ml, which were not required for treating humans, which was convenient for veterinary use. Vultures are slow breeding birds, which lay one egg at a time and has 8 months breeding cycle. There is a little scope of revival if loss is more than 5% a year. There is a need of immediate intervention to save them from extinction.